morning, you guys. Yo, I am so excited today. Oh man, this is crazy for me right now. Another day, another vlog here in Malaysia. Today's actually my last day, and I've decided, hold on, I have decided to come all the way like outside of KL to here. This here is actually my school. This is my last school when I was living in Malaysia. Like, I think I was in year 4 when I left. So I went to this school for 4 years, and then we went to England. So yeah, man, God, that's a lot of memories. It hasn't changed at all. I'm not gonna try to go in just because I'm holding a big ass camera, and probably not a good idea to shoot children in school. This is like the main entrance. This is where the kids would go in. I remember this path. I remember going down this path, like going all the way to our class. Oh my God. I don't know why, but it looks smaller. I remember it being a lot bigger. Maybe that's because I've grown or something. Is that a thing? Like, that's the field right there. I used to be the fast kid, so. And then high jump. I got first in high jump for PE, not PE, for like sports day or something. Oh man. Oh man. It doesn't seem like they have school. Like there's no one inside. It doesn't seem like. I remember the canteen would still be open after lunch, and it wasn't. You see that space right there? I used to crawl down there, walk up here, and then I think squeeze through this one because it's wider than the rest. And then I would just go down that way because that's where the kind of like the livelihood of like this town was, like down there. Fun fact, that's where I think it's this one. That's where my dad used to work. He's a dentist. So he used to work like right beside our school. So that was kind of cool. I'm kind of taking a chance right now. I remember, I don't know why, but my brain is telling me to turn here to find my old house. Hopefully it's the right way. Now my brain is saying to turn here. Is that the right way? God, I don't even know at this point. I'm just trying to follow my memory, like start back there somewhere. If I find this house, it's gonna be fucking crazy. Although we did live like 3 different houses around the same area, so I forgot which number house that was. God damn, this place is nice. Look at this. Shit, that's a freaking mansion right there. So I don't know which number house that I'm trying to, like, my brain is trying to get to, but I remember it vividly. Like, I know how it is. Like, if I see the house, the shape of the house, I know it's there. It's at the corner. I remember at the corner because the corner house had a freaking dog that we used to be freaking scared of. Whew. I think I just have to go like straight all the way to the end of this road and see if we reach the house. God damn, if we reach the house, that would be crazy. The thing is, everything looks so freaking familiar, but I don't even know if it's the right like familiar or it's like my brain is trying to create a memory, if that makes sense. Like this gold black gate. I remember that, but I don't even know. Oh, look at this shit. Look, warning, dog. If you see, like, it's right there. Like those, like, they had that at the corner house. That freaking dog. I hated that dog. The thing is, I don't remember ever going up a hill. That being said, we were always on a car, so maybe we did go up a hill? I don't know. Am I trying to find a different house? Am I going to my cousin's house? At this point, my brain is like all over the place. But the thing is, I remember it's around this area. Because I remember walking, I was able to walk to school. Even though we took the school bus. Oh man, I also remember seeing a gas station close by. And I don't see a gas. That's a different house though. I remember that being a different house. God damn, this hill is not helping. Alright guys, I give up. I have no idea where the house is. At this point, my brain is playing with me. I have no idea what my house looks like now. Like I got three houses. Like I got three houses in my head that I know what it looks like. I just don't know if this road leads to that house or that house or that house. It's like now I'm not 100% sure right now. I have moved location a little bit. It's like maybe 10 minutes ride from my school. Right now, I am actually trying to go to this one restaurant that me and my family used to go and eat like in the middle of the night for dinner or something. Not in the middle of the night, like, but for dinner. And also like in the middle of the night if we get hungry. This place was like the place to go. Like I remember we used to go watch the movies and then come here, eat dinner, go home. Like that was like the perfect night. Yo, this place has not changed at all. The seatings, the inside is the same. Our family don't usually come in, we usually eat outside, but yeah. I used to come in here for the toilet, to wash your hands. God damn. This is... 15 years is not that long. I mean, I thought it would change a lot. I mean, it's long, but it's not that long for anything to change. This is it. This is the food. This is the nasi goreng kampung. Yeah, nasi goreng kampung. Dude, you guys have no idea how long I've been waiting to eat this. It's so good. Alright. I'm gonna enjoy this and then let's explore more. Alright. I'm here at the mall right now. This is like, I think it's a mega mall, Mid-Valley Mega Mall. It's one of the biggest malls in KL. I remember coming here from small, so I thought I'll stop by, see what has changed and what has not. I remember going to a art school class in this mall, so I want to check that out, see if that's still here. And yeah, this is gonna be like a memory vlog, memory chip vlog. I don't remember this outside thing though. Right, yo, I went around the mall and then I saw this hair salon. Not gonna lie. Oh wow, thank you. I need a haircut. This is just too long. My girlfriend wants it grown a little bit, but to be honest, I am in a tropical country. It's gonna get hot. I'm gonna shave off the sides and hopefully she likes it. I don't know. But yeah, I'm cutting my hair at the mall. Hello.
Hello. Okay.
Do you mind if I...
It's okay.
It's okay? Alright, thank you.
So, it's not too long or you want to change your new image?
I want to... Do you guys have like a magazine or photo that I can see? No?
No. Okay.
Okay, let's see. Did not expect that they were gonna shampoo my hair here. Yeah, it's cool. So cool. Yo, that's fresh. I really like it. Dude, my barber, hairstylist, he was like teaching me a lot of stuff that I did not know about my hair. Like, man was like telling me stuff that, to be honest, like, what am I gonna do with the information kind of thing? But also at the same time, it's like, that's interesting. He was like teaching me stuff and like how to use stuff and how to cut my hair. It's like, cool. That's cool. Cutting hair in Malaysia, great experience. I am heading to KL Central. There's another spot where really it's like in the core of my memory. So, all right, let's head there. All right, thank you, sir. Drive safe. All right, guys, here it is. This is it. It looks so different though. God damn, hold on. All right, so when I was here, this whole thing here, that was under construction. And then this thing was not here. But this family mart here, that was my dad's dentist clinic. Like my dad had a clinic right here. So he came back to Japan and then kind of like stopped doing dentists in Malaysia. But to be honest, another Japanese company to use the space, so not that mad. Family Mart. The thing is, that would be the entrance. My dad's clinic that would be the entrance. He would have this whole thing here. I remember playing at the back here. This was like still under construction when my dad bought it. This whole thing was shit. Yeah, this whole thing was it's still under construction, but my dad used to own that bit as well. This is so exciting. It's just Family Mart now, but it's so exciting. Hold on. A dental chair right there. A dental chair right around here, I think. And then back here, from these curves here. Oh god damn. From the curve here, that would be this is where he would sleep. Like he sleeps in his clinic because, you know, he bought a big ass clinic. He made the back of it like a home kind of thing. And yeah, that would be where we all slept, like when we came to visit him. That's oh man. It's Family Mart now, but still shit. This used to be a dental clinic. Oh man, even this is behind the clinic right now. I'm heading to the train station. Even this, like here, I used to play with my little sister. Like, this is a place where we would play hide and seek. Because it was like very brand new, this building, when we were here, like everything was under construction. No one bought any spaces. It was only like my dad and a bank and some other businesses. But am I here? No. But like literally we were alone. So my siblings and I would like run around this place and man. Right now everything is like it's like an office area right now. So I don't know, man. Ugh. This is like the most change I've seen in Malaysia. But that was the KL Central. Oh, this guy there. Yo, even this look. I'm about to get on this train right here, but even this like entrance of train, we used to like say goodbye to our dad. He would walk on the other side because he would go in. When he had work in Tokyo, he would get on this thing to go to the airport, and I remember like following him all the way down here to this. I think should be this. Yeah, he would go down here, and then we would say bye bye, and oh man, even this like small stuff, like memories, man, memories. Okay guys, I am probably gonna get the train like in 5 minutes. I'm going to the airport already. This probably concludes the vlog of me coming back to Malaysia. Yo, today's vlog was probably like one of my greatest vlog for me, just because I was going back to the places that I used to go and eating the stuff that I used to eat. Trust me, I ate. And I don't know, it's memories, man. It's crazy. 15 years, nothing changed that much. Like I said, the most change was at my dad's clinic, but other than that, nothing has changed. That being said, I'm gonna end this vlog. Okay, my train's in 2 minutes. I'm gonna get in, and it's gonna be, it's like my dad used to do it, and now I'm, oh man, God. Okay, bye-bye.